Okay, let the record state that you did this on your own accord. And
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
spoonful of cinnamon, let's go.
Is it spicy?
Disqualified! You can spit it out if you want. You're still our friend if you spit it out. I get up close to the suffering on his face.
Because there's no water. You just have to absorb it.
Oh, he's got it. Or no.
Swallow it, do it. Come on.
Come on.
Summon up some saliva.
He just has to wait for a minute after you swallow it.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Is he okay? Is he having a spastic attack? Oh! You gotta...
You haven't swallowed
You're gonna get a shot of vodka if you finish it. Hey!
Well, that's impressive.
Yeah.
See, it's not so bad. Who's up next?
Ah!
Like how they say re-dry it.
Yeah.